You can see one of these guys they call Arrow. He is one of the commanders in Biafran Liberation Army, aka Fine Guy.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 30th of July 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news to you live and direct from Biafran land. These are the Biafran Liberation Army, although we do call them Biafran Liberation Boys. They are on the streets. Guys, these men are not fearing anybody at all. Gone are the days where you go to talk, say, make these guys, they hide their face. Nah, at all. They know they hide their face at all. They live and direct on the street, parading, doing caution. They carry their guns, so they carry everything. They prepared. They are saying, where are the Musa guys? Where are the Asari boys? They should come and face them live and direct. But there is one question I want to ask. There is a few days ago, there is a tragedy that happened in Obinetiti, that is around this zone. And now, some group of persons were accusing the Biafran Liberation Boys that they are the one that buy those people. The question now is, looking at this video or watching this video now, you can see how these guys are relating with the commoners, how they are flowing with the villagers. Do you really think that these guys can do such a thing? The villagers accepted these guys. The villagers accommodated these guys. The villagers are so free. They are so friendly with these guys. They are not hurting anybody. They are not chasing anybody. They are only just protecting the land of Biafra, protecting the villagers. That's why you can see the villagers are becoming friendly with them very well. Had it been that the bad ones, the villagers will be running away from them. Anytime they come out on the street like this, the villagers will be running away from them. Are you getting me? But because they are not the bad ones, so whenever they are out on the street, the villagers will come out to share with them, to dance with them, to even rejoice with them. And so many people will be even snapping pictures with them because the villagers or the commoners love them so much.
Oh,
You can see one of these guys they call Arrow. He is one of the commanders in Biafran Liberation Army, aka Fine Guy. The guy no send anybody at all. The guy they very mean in this work of Biafra. The guy said that time has gone when they are hiding their faces. Right now, they will show their face to whoever that it may concern. If you want to come and fight them, come, that they are ever ready to fight with you. Can you not see that Biafran Liberation Army has gone very high, very far, to the people that are trying to destroy them? Do you think they can be able to do that? Do you think they can be able to do that? You know, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came out and was talking about this Biafra of a thing, they conspired against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They felt that, or they thought that arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is going to end anything called Biafra. But they never knew that arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to spice Biafra the more. Even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said in one of his broadcasts that even his death will make Biafra to come quick. Now, after arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that one is not even enough for them. They went ahead to arrest Simon Ekpa, thinking the same thing, that if they arrest Simon Ekpa, that anything called Biafran Liberation Army will die a natural death. But can you see that they made a very big mistake? In fact, it is one of their worst mistakes they made by even arresting Simon Ekpa. Today, you can see the Biafran Liberation Army is even gaining more momentum. So many guys are even trooping in to join the Biafran Liberation Army. This force of Biafra has gone to the level that nobody can stop it again. Even if they kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even if they kill Simon Ekpa, someone that is even more worst, let me use that word worst, someone that is even more fierce, more deadly than them will emerge. That is the spirit of Biafra. That is the level, the momentum Biafra has gone now. So it is no longer time these guys are hiding their face. They don't hide their face anymore. They are out on the streets celebrating life, because to them they believe that anybody can die anytime, provided they are doing the right cause, provided that they are not doing any kidnapping, they are not doing any armed robbery, they are not doing any atrocity, they are not doing any organ harvesting. They are only just focused on protecting the land of Biafra and making sure that Biafra will emerge very soon, according to all the prophecies that has come.
I am a Biafra. Evidently, no, know it now. I didn't have more fucking apology to anyone. Anyone saying I am not a Biafra, fuck that person. Any bomb is a Biafra. Try to know it today. So I'm a Biafra. And Biafra is.
One day, when I have pattern on my live stream today, I let my banana device. I should know they show my face. I should know they do this one. I should know they do this one. If I don't show my face, how the world go know me now? Bro, see, no they talk that one. No they talk that one. Forget about that one. We don't hear those ones finish. See, anybody who don't die, don't die. All die and I die. So forget. If not die of a thing, we don't keep down in our mind. The day there. So forget about that one. No they advise me. No they advise me, say make I know they do this one, make I know they do this one. If you want to advise me, follow me enter here. Man, no say na me and you do anything where you tell me I go do am. Better say na me and you do. No be say if you dey upland they sleep. They do anything where you like to do. You go they come here, they advise me where the stuff inside here. Do you know? I beg.
Chapter Matthew verse what?
1 John chapter 3 verse 8.
Second,
Can two work together without an agreement?
second,
Now, look, this is Gambo.
second,
What's not an Allah? God, what the la.
mbọdala, ọ sọrọ dọla ga-adị. agụta ndị na-emebi ọdịnala ndụ ga-adịkwa
ndị ha ga-adị ka nkịrịka
ọka dị
ndị a na-emebi ọdịnala ndị ha ga-adị ka nkịrịka baịbụl amachide ya ọtụtụ ga-aṅara ahụrụ ọkụ ọtụtụ ga-aṅara biya ọtụtụ ịkpata tụwa eribiga kpere ya
erifewere ofe
tụwa eribiga kpere ya oke ime ya na nje
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Let us interact in our comment section. Do you think that the Musa guys or the Asari guys will mash these men? Do you think that they will mash them? Do you think that they can be able to stop them? Oh yeah, let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.